In this video, we'll create an automated email sequence, add contacts to it, and review its performance, demonstrating a streamlined workflow for managing outreach campaigns in Clodura.AI platform. Hover over the Outreach icon to reveal navigation options. Then select Automated Sequences to go to the sequence creation page. Click Create Sequence to begin setting up a new automated campaign. Provide a name for the sequence and add a relevant tag for easy identification. Enable the permitted days for sending the sequence. Use the calendar icon to select a start date and set up the start date. Set the start time hour to start sending your sequence. Click Next to close the setup modal and continue configuration. Click Add Email Phase to open the phase modal. Enter a numeric value in Send Email In to set the initial delay. Delay can be in minutes or hours or days as per campaign planning. Click Add to confirm creating the new email phase. Open the Write with AI tab to access the AI Writer panel. Enter the product or main offering in Main Offering. Here, for example, the Gen AI go-to-market platform. Type a short search term to filter the industry list for relevant results. Select the target industries from Industry Filter section for personalization. From the Contact Seniority dropdown, choose your contact seniority to specify seniority. Click Generate to auto-populate the email content in the editor. Run a deliverability check by clicking the orange Check Spam button. Click Save to store your email content and return to the overview. Next, we'll add a group of verified saved contacts to the demo sequence. First, open the Contacts tab to display your contact list. Click the blue Add button to open the Add Contacts menu. Choose Take Me to Search Contacts to begin a search. Switch to the Saved People tab to view your saved contacts. Click the Email Confidence Filter header to expand its options. Check Verified to filter for contacts with verified emails. Use the header checkbox to select all visible contacts. Open the 25 Selected dropdown to modify selection options. Review the available selection size options in the 25 Selected dropdown. Click the plus Add button to open the menu for adding your selected contacts. From Select Sequence, choose the demo sequence. Click Save and Add to include these contacts in the demo sequence. The verified contacts have been added successfully to your sequence. Open the sequence, reports to inspect the audience and performance charts for the selected automated sequence. Click the Edit Sequence icon for the New Year sequence. Open the Reports tab to view campaign audience and email statistics. Click the Seniority tab to see metrics by contact seniority. Switch to the Functional Level tab for a functional level breakdown. Change the view by selecting the Title tab. Select HQ Location to see a geographical breakdown of contacts. Choose Industry to analyze data by contact industry. Click the Size tab to view company size metrics. Open the Reply Rate tab to display reply rate statistics. Select the Link Click Rate tab to review link click performance. Finally, click the Open Rate tab to view email open data. Return to the sequence summary by clicking the Overview tab. A detailed audience breakdown and key email performance metrics are now displayed. You have learned how to create an automated sequence, add contacts to it, craft emails, and review reports to improve outreach performance in Clodura.AI platform.